So today is a bit of an eventful one, car-wise. The M3, you can see behind me. I waved goodbye to it today. It is hopefully going to be collected today and taken back to the UK to find a new owner. So we need to get that done. And then also today, the Spider, you can see behind me, that needs to go back for its retest at Decra to see if it can get Swedish plates. So yeah, busy. Okay, so first up is the Spider. Let's see if the headlights that I changed have done the trick. In typical Swedish fashion, the weather has gone from being beautifully sunny for the past week and a bit to, oh, you want to go out in a car with no roof? I'm going to rain. So I will first of all fit the soft top, in inverted commas, to the car and try that out on the way as well. Okay, we've made it. We're back at Decra and it hasn't rained yet. Spider's there. Just waiting now. I am early again, so just waiting now for the retest.
While Patchy pulls himself together, let's see how SpongeBob's party is shaping up. One pair of pants later.
how did we do? Did we pass? Did we fail? We passed. Hurrah! One more Swedish car on the road. Fantastic.
Early the next morning.
You probably noticed I've changed my clothes because it took a little longer than expected. The guy had a little trouble with his transporter, but I've been told that he is on his way, so time to get this done. And there you have it, the end of a busy and pretty eventful day. The Spider is now Swedish, so I can crack on with that, and the M3 has gone. And I've got to say already, I miss it, like walking into the garage and hearing the echo and seeing that big space that was filled, you know, with nothing in it. So as we say, onwards and upwards, let's see what I can fill that space with and when.